Welcome to the version of my Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So a couple of minutes ago I set up my face recognition here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works really fast. We just can unlock the device less than in 1 second, maybe less than in half seconds. That's really good result for the device. And I'll just try to do to unlock the device without my glasses, because I set up my face recognition with these glasses, and now I'll try to do this without them, and we'll see that it works. So as can you see, we also can successfully unlock our device with the glasses, without the glasses. So I suggest you to try this unlock method if, for example, you don't like the unlock methods like the pin codes or passcodes. So you can try this, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pattern or pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.